Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the question given over here. So let us solve this one. So what is given here? P is to Q is to R is equal to 6 is to 5 is to 4. So let us write the same thing over here. So now let us consider this P as this and this is for this and this is for this one. So let us consider P as 6x, Q as 5x and R as 4x. So 6, 5 and 4. So now what did he say here? That P square plus Q square plus R square, that is 192500. So the same thing is written over here. So now we know that P is 6x. So when we take the square of it, let us write this in a bracket. Same here, 5x is Q here. So let us take this also in a bracket. Again, this also in a bracket, that is 4xR. So now let us see here, whenever there is a bracket means this square is for this as well as this. So it will be 36x square. Again for here 25x square, 16x square, and this is 1925, the same over here. So now when you add this all, you get 77x square, that is here. So now we'll find the value of x square. So x square is 192500, and this is actually multiplication, so it is going to get divided. And when you divide this, you get the answer as 2500, that is x square. But we want the value of x. So when we square both sides, square root of 2500, this 25 is the perfect score, so that is going to be 50. So now what is given over here, that you have to find out P plus Q minus R divided by 2. So now first thing, what are we going to do? Here, what is P we have considered? 6x, Q as 5 and this as 4. So let us write that one. 6x plus 5x, and because this is minus, we'll put here minus 4x divided by 2. So when you solve this, is going to be 11x minus 4x, that is going to be 7x by 2. So now let us put the value of x. So what did we get? The value of x is 50. So in place of this x, we'll put 50. So now 2 ones are, 2 25s are. So 25 sevens are, that is 175. This is the answer.